Vinny Russo here. Welcome back. Today we're talking about what truly becomes priceless when the world goes sideways. Forget gold and stocks. When systems fail, value shifts to what you can't buy at any price. Clean water, warmth, safety. Most of these essentials are things we take for granted, but they're the foundation of survival and resilience. This isn't about fear. It's about empowerment and practical steps. We'll break down 15 categories you need to focus on now while you still can. Grab a notepad. Let's dive in. Water is life, but stored water runs out. The real skill is making any water safe to drink. Have a high-quality filter, Sawyer squeeze, Berkey, something reliable. But don't stop there. Backups matter. Water purification tablets, bleach, 2 drops per liter, wait 30 minutes, and boiling. Know how to collect rainwater and build a solar still. Practice filter pond water, use tablets, and make sure you have containers for collection and storage. Redundancy and know-how are your insurance. The ability to purify water is the most important survival skill you can have. Don't neglect it. Fire is essential. Purifies water, cooks food, keeps you warm, and lifts morale. Don't rely on one method. Stash Bic lighters everywhere, but have backups, ferro rods, waterproof matches, and even a magnifying glass for sunny days. Practice using all of them, especially in bad weather. Prepared tinder is crucial. Cotton balls with petroleum jelly, dryer lint, or commercial fire plugs. Learn to find and use natural tinder like birch bark or fat wood. Go outside and practice in the rain. Fire making is a skill and a trade item. Redundancy and practice make you reliable. Don't just own the tools, master them. Fire is survival. When help isn't coming, you're the first responder. A well-stocked kit is useless without the knowledge to use it. Gear and training go hand in hand. Build your kit in layers. Trauma gear, tourniquet, pressure dressings, chest seals, and a comprehensive boo-boo kit for everyday injuries. Stock common meds, painkillers, anti-diarrheals, antihistamines, and anything your family needs. Take a Stop the Bleed class and study a good first aid manual. Wilderness first aid courses are a great investment. Knowledge is your most important medical supply. Start learning now. If you rely on prescription meds, a supply chain disruption is a crisis. Talk to your doctor about a 90-day supply or early refills. Build a buffer safely and legally. Consider out-of-pocket purchases for extra supply if possible. Research lifestyle changes or alternatives with your healthcare provider. For some conditions, stockpiling is critical. For others, have a backup plan. Don't wait for a crisis. Act now. Your life may depend on it. Sometimes you can't cook. Evacuation, safety, or exhaustion. Stock no-cook foods, protein bars, canned meats, nut butters, dried fruit, trail mix, and even hard candies. Choose foods your family will actually eat and check expiration dates. These are your grab-and-go, no time to cook calories. They bridge the gap in the first 72 hours or longer. Morale and energy matter. Don't overlook this. No-cook options buy you time to plan. Keep them accessible. Darkness is disorienting and dangerous. Light is essential for safety and morale. LED headlamps are your best friend. Hands-free, efficient, and reliable. Have one for everyone. Stockpile batteries, but also invest in solar-powered and hand-crank lights for redundancy. Keep a small solar panel and power bank to recharge devices. Don't forget candles and oil lamps, old school but effective. Store fuel safely and have backups for everything. Layer your lighting. Battery, solar, crank, and flame. Never be left in the dark. Light is security. Disease spreads fast when sanitation fails. Plan for waste and hygiene now. Use a 2-bucket toilet system. One for solids, one for urine, with cover material like sawdust. Stockpile bar soap, hand sanitizer, and dental care items. Have both toilet paper and washable cloths as backup. Store heavy-duty trash bags for garbage. Designate waste areas away from living and water sources. Hygiene isn't comfort, it's survival. Think through every detail before you need it. Cleanliness keeps you alive. Stored food runs out. Growing your own is the only long-term solution. Gardening is a skill, not just seeds. Start small now and learn from your mistakes. Focus on calorie-dense, easy crops, potatoes, squash, beans, corn. Grow what your family eats and what thrives in your region. Learn to save seeds and compost to build soil health. Practice crop rotation and pest management. This knowledge is more valuable than any stockpile. Become a producer, not just a consumer. Food security starts with your hands in the dirt. When you can't buy replacements, repair skills are gold. Invest in quality hand tools, hammer, screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, saw, sewing kit. Learn to sew, patch, and sharpen tools. Basic carpentry and improvisation are huge assets. Save useful odds and ends for repairs. A problem-solving mindset is your best tool. Adapt, fix, and make things last. Salt is essential. Your body needs it, and it preserves food. Without refrigeration, salt lets you cure meat and fish, preventing spoilage. Stock both iodized, for eating, and non-iodized, for preserving, salt. It's cheap, stores forever, and is irreplaceable in a crisis. Don't overlook this ancient, life-sustaining mineral. Buy in bulk and keep it dry. Salt is survival currency. High-proof alcohol is a multi-tool. Disinfectant, wound cleaner, sanitizer, and barter item. Use it to sterilize instruments, make herbal tinctures, and even start fires. It's valuable for trade and morale, but its practical uses are what matter most. Stock cheap, clear, high-proof spirits. Alcohol is a tool, not just a luxury. It keeps you healthy and resourceful. Don't underestimate its versatility. You can't do it all alone. Community is your greatest asset. Skills, resources, and security multiply in a group. Start building relationships now. Neighbors, friends, like-minded folks. Invest in trust and shared experiences. Practice skills together, help each other, and build real bonds. A strong community is built before a crisis, not during. Social capital is as important as food or water. Disaster reveals your true team. Start building it today. Your survival depends on it. Mental health matters. Comfort and entertainment keep spirits up. For kids, cards, games, books, stuffed animals. For adults, books, music, journals, a favorite treat. Small luxuries, coffee, chocolate, a warm blanket, are huge morale boosters. These items create normalcy and reduce stress. Don't neglect comfort in your preps. A positive mindset is a survival tool. Dedicate space for these essentials. Sanity is as important as calories. Information is life. Radio keeps you connected when the grid is down. Have a hand crank emergency radio for weather and news. Two-way radios, FRS, GMRS, let you coordinate locally. Upgrade to ham radio for long-range communication. Getting licensed is easy. Radios don't rely on the internet or cell towers. Communication is a superpower in a crisis. Stay informed, stay connected. Don't be isolated. In a barter economy, small, high-demand items are currency. Stock coffee, cigarettes, alcohol, even if you don't use them. Lighters, sewing needles, soap, and ammo are always valuable. Keep a separate stash for trade. Never barter your last supply. Small items are safer and more flexible to trade. Think of this as your post-collapse savings. Barter smart, stay supplied. These items open doors. These 15 essentials aren't about hoarding, they're about resilience and mindset. True wealth is in your skills, knowledge, community, and pantry. Take action. Pick one area and improve it this week. Download my free preparedness guide in the description for checklists and resources. Share this video, subscribe, and comment your most overlooked prep item. Preparedness is steady progress, not perfection. Thanks for watching. See you next time.